know what I just found out? Imagine being born back in the day, and I don't know exactly what time this was, but instead of the doctors giving you a lollipop or, cough drops, right? They give you heroin.
Really?
Back in the day.
What a time to be alive.
No, I'm...
Shit. The good old days.
Bro, is that not insane though? Back in the day, these people would use, like doctors and shit, they would use heroin. They would give it to you for medication.
That's insane.
Like if you had a cough and shit like that. As simple as a cough. I'm not even making this up. Everybody go look it up. This is true history, bro.